Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to put letterheads in Excel. We're going to do this. We're going to start with a blank spreadsheet, and we're simply going to use the formatting features of Excel to enter in the name, address, and any other information that would appear on a letterhead, and then just start formatting it until we have the font size, the font type, the spacing that we want. So to save a little time, I actually have already entered in an address here. And the first thing we're going to do, all we care about is the information in column A. So we're going to select that column, and we're going to make the column width equal to the width of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So we're going to start scrolling over to the right, and as you can see, as we're doing this, as we're changing the width of the column, the width is being displayed here. What we're interested in is the number of inches, so we just scroll over to the right. And I need to give myself a little more room here. Just bear with me. And okay, we're going to scroll over until we get 8.5 inches. And we're almost there. Whoops, a little too far. There we go, right on the nose, 8.5, give or take. Then we're going to center it. So most letterheads are centered like that. If you want it formatted a little different, just use the different formatting functions and customize it the way you want, but we're going to make it centered. And then that's not a very exciting looking font, so let's go to again, everything is still selected in column A. We're going to go to the font menu, and we're going to pick a font somewhere down here, one that's not too plain, not too fancy. How about this one here? That's kind of nice looking. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to put letterheads in Excel. Thank you for watching.